Hello everyone. I was able to get away on this Monday evening to try and get a couple little things done. It's not going to be anything terribly exciting, but a little bit at a time is better than nothing at all. But today I'm just going to try and get some of these rust spots cut out. There might be a couple more over there. And we're just trying to get this ready to get primered. So there's definitely a few things I'm going to have to do. Mess with the dash a little bit, and I think there might be a couple other places I need to sand, and of course I need to get that all welded in. But yeah, lots of good progress is starting to happen. So I managed to get those cut out. They ended up being pretty weird shapes because I didn't really think about these specific shapes that they had going on here. So I made specific shapes out of these, and so that's what those are. I don't know if many of you play video games, but that kind of reminds me of a symbol. But yeah, I'm gonna cut those out and we'll get those welded in. We probably won't do that tonight, but figured might as well get them ready.
A few moments later.
It's starting to get a little late, but I found a light. I wish I've known where that was for a while, but I got these all cut out, so they're not perfect yet. I'll probably have to trim them down just a little bit, and that one I gotta get the circle out, of course. But yeah, it's going pretty decent. And figured they didn't need to be the prettiest since they're gonna be all welded in and ugly anyway. So I might tonight, I don't know, it's getting pretty late, but I might pull all this out. My dad says it might be a little expensive, but the other half is missing it, so I might as well pull that out. I think it's like for noise and for insulation and just whatever, but I think I need to pull this out. I believe this was the fan, if I remember right. But I don't know, maybe I will. So I decided to go ahead and take that insulation stuff out, and so it wasn't too hard. I just had to pull a few screws out for that fan, and then I think it's all basically the heat. I know they didn't have air conditioning back then, and so it actually opened it up quite a bit. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to look into, I might see, because I do want to put air conditioning in it, and I might look into seeing if there's any aftermarket stuff I can buy, because I don't even know if those are gonna work. Those are them in there now, but either way, that's gonna make it a lot easier to paint. So I think that's about all I'm gonna do tonight, because it's getting pretty late and I don't want to bug the neighbors too much longer. But yeah, hopefully I can get back to working on more stuff this weekend. This past weekend was a little busy, but I think we're gonna try to get this welded. I guess we do need a primer at first, and so I might just end up sanding all that in there this weekend, then something along those lines. But slowly but surely.